Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you an iridescent shader inspired by the visual style of Bellatro. It was originally designed for playing cards, photos, labels, and other flat objects, but its applications go far beyond that. For example, you can use it to create oil slick effects, soap bubbles, water surfaces, or virtually any material with shimmering iridescent colors.
Here's what the package includes: the shader itself for both URP and HDRP pipelines, as well as a custom inspector window script. Inside the Textures folder, you'll find sample textures, 11 color gradients, and 17 normal maps. The Demo folder contains 2 identical demo scenes, one for URP and one for HDRP. Let's begin by hiding everything in the scene. Next, create a new card object. Now, create a new material and assign it to the object. The shader supports 2 types of black and white masks that control how the effect is distributed: linear and radial. You can adjust the mask's rotation, scale, and center position. One of the key features of this shader is that the effect mask shifts based on the viewing angle, the direction of the camera relative to the object. If center speed is set to 0, the mask remains stationary. Increasing this value makes the mask center move faster as the viewing angle changes. You can also customize the mask color. To use a gradient, enable Use Gradient and assign a gradient texture. The package already includes several ready-to-use gradients, but you can easily create your own. If needed, you can add adjustable noise to make the color transitions appear more natural and less uniform. Both the noise intensity and scale can be adjusted. The noise speed parameter works similarly to center speed. When set to 0, the noise remains static. The material is normally based on the object's texture, but you can also use a solid color instead. The effect power setting controls how strongly the iridescent colors blend with the base texture. The shader also includes several blending modes, allowing you to achieve a wide variety of visual styles. If needed, you can use a separate black and white mask, so the effect is applied only to selected areas of the image. The standout feature of this shader is its support for normal maps. Unlike most similar shaders, the iridescent color isn't simply overlaid on top of the texture. Instead, it follows the surface details defined by the normal map. As a result, the color shifts appear much more three-dimensional, dynamic, and natural.
Thank you for watching. Explore the demo scene, experiment with the included gradients and normal maps, and create your own unique iridescent materials. If you have any questions about the shader or need a custom shader or graphic solution for your project, feel free to get in touch. You can find all my contact details in the description below.